Okay, so what's your problem?
I'm like sensitive and emotional.
Sleep. Go ahead and make a fist. Now, each and every time you make a fist, you're going to tell yourself a word. That could be sadness, that could be happiness, it could be any emotion you want to feel, and instantaneously, you're going to feel that emotion. For example, right now you feel sad. It's the saddest day of your life. Eyes open. You're so sad. It gets 10 times worse. And now in a moment, you're going to close your eyes, and you're going to say happy, and you're going to feel happier and more confident than you ever felt. So go close your eyes. Say it to yourself. And you're going to feel happier than you've ever felt in your life now. Open your eyes. It's the best day of your life right now. It's the best day of your life. Now, every time you make this fist, you're just going to close your eyes. You're going to tell yourself what you want to feel, and you're going to feel it. Do you act?
Yes.
So imagine using this in acting.
Oh, good.
Okay, so how do you feel right now?
I feel happy.
How happy do you want to feel?
I want to feel super happy.
So close your eyes and do it.
I feel super happy.
Okay, now open your eyes.
I feel super happy.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Now stop making